Do you enjoy baked beans? Well, I have a recipe for a lighter version of baked beans. Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jan. I'm from New York City, and I love, love, love helping people to keep more of the hard earned money. And I also like to give some, once in a great while, some low calorie recipes. It comes from a great book. The book is no longer in print, but there's a picture of it on the thumbnail. Okay. So I have a baked beans recipe. Also, in addition to that, I have a sliced tomato with basil recipe. All right, baked beans. This is not Aunt Sophie's recipe. This is the book saying it, but it is a delicious and less fattening version of a classic dish. One large onion chopped, 1/4 cup of vegetable broth, 4 cups or two 16-ounce cans of pinto beans, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Simmer the onion in the broth about 10 minutes until tender. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix all of the ingredients, stir in well. Put in a heavy casserole dish and bake for 20 minutes. Uncover and bake for 40 minutes more. This will make 8 to 10 servings, about 146 calories per half cup serving. Sounds really good. Next, sliced tomatoes with basil. Yum. Nothing tastes better than garden fresh tomatoes. Slice 6 or 8 of them onto a pretty platter. Chop about 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves and sprinkle over the tomatoes. Sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. If you can't get the fresh basil leaves, use 2 teaspoons of dried basil. Cover with plastic wrap until it is time to serve. And guess what? It's about 10 whopping calories per slice. Think you can live with that? Oh, by the way, just for the record, watermelon has 50 calories in a cup. That is a lot of watermelon for a very little calories. That was just an aside that the book mentions on the bottom of this page. Very, very interesting. Okay. Well, I'll be back next week with some more recipes from the book. While we're in the midst of the holiday season, I decided to put up some lighter recipe options for folks who may be interested in that. Thank you, of course, for being here. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to do this if possible. An amazing, fantastic day. Take good care now. Bye bye.